Hey everybody, it's Wednesday, October 15th, 2025. I'm Patrick, disabled investor on $1 million mission to grow my registered disability savings plan to $1 million. And I'm doing it one day at a time, one trade at a time, and sharing the results and the journey with you so that you can learn from my mistakes and hopefully avoid them. And hopefully we can prosper together. Today, I didn't do anything. I spent time with dogs and played some video games. And I was thinking, investing is a lot like cooking a stew. For those who are familiar with it or not familiar with it, the less you do sometimes is the better. I mean, you gotta prepare it properly to get started. Sear the meat, whatever. But if you keep adding spices and taking stuff away and doing this and that, you ruin the flavor. So I figure my portfolio is performing a lot like a stew that's simmering. And it seems like the less I do, the better, because the longer I let it sit, the better it's going to be at the end, if you know what I mean. So today was a simmering day, and in keeping with my leap and sleep strategy, I just let them ride. And I'm glad I did, because I'm up about close to $2,650 to end the day at $184,359, which is all right for not doing anything. $2,600 for not doing anything. Yeah, sign me up. And that's what I did. In terms of what added to that, today it was D-Wave Technologies again, D-Wave Quantum Technology that added close to $1,000 to my account, followed by Sana Biotechnology. I'm glad to see them doing some good moves with the stock, and it looks like, according to some people, it's going to be 100 baggers. So, it's possible that Sana is going to be a big hit. Alphabet, Google also did well today for me and added about $620 to my portfolio. In terms of what didn't do so well and what took away from my gains, ARM Holdings, it subtracted about $760 from my overall portfolio, and AST Space Mobile, ASTS, was down $420 from where it was yesterday. So what are you going to do? And Reddit was another one that disappointed. I'm thinking I might have to sell that leap that I have for Reddit, because it's been looking pretty nasty. But at the same time, I think, earnings season is coming. It's here, rather. Reddit will be reporting soon, and I think they're an advertising machine, so I think they should be doing well. We will see, though. But at the end of the day, I just let things simmer, and I was doing my sleep, and yeah, up $2,600. So what's to complain about that? Nothing. Anyways, hope you had a good trading session. Please let me know how you did today. Let's compare notes and see how your RDSP is going. Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Talk to you tomorrow.